Busan EFM's Prime News at 6.
Brazil's Minister of Defense said yesterday that up to 220,000 soldiers will be sent into the streets of Brazil as part of a campaign to combat the yellow fever mosquito, which causes Zika and other diseases. The minister said the first stage of the campaign, which will be launched on February 13th, would increase the number of elements from the Army, Navy, and Air Force who are already working in some states of the country. The health ministry also announced yesterday that the government will distribute mosquito repellent to some 400,000 pregnant women who receive cash transfer benefits. The World Health Organization has stressed that a link between the Zika virus and microcephaly remains circumstantial and is not yet proven scientifically.
The amount of local taxes collected in Busan last year was up to 4.8 trillion won. The Ministry of the Interior and the city of Busan said it has provisionally estimated that the amount of local taxes collected in Busan last year was 4.8 trillion won, an increase of 20.4% from 4 trillion won in 2014. It was analyzed that the main reason for the increase of the amount of local taxes collected in Busan was due to the increase in property acquisition taxes, as well as registration taxes, according to growth of the trade volume of houses. The drastic increase of local income taxes by the expansion of the corporation income also made a large contribution. Particularly, the increasing rate of local taxes collected by Busan was higher than 15%, the national average. It was the third highest among 17 cities and provinces across the country after the city of Sejong and Jeju-do. It was reported that the bonuses of local workers for the Lunar New Year holiday will be 417,000 won on average, and 60% of the total local workers in Busan will not receive a bonus due to the economic recession. According to the results of a survey on 1,000 workers by Busan Regional Headquarters of the Federation of Korea Trade Unions, the amount of bonuses being received was 417,000 won on average, and there were no significant differences compared with 415,000 won last year. By amount of bonus, 400,000 won took 32.2%, which was the largest. 300,000 and 500,000 won were 26% and 17.6% respectively. The rate of workers who will not receive a bonus was 60%, which has increased a little from 59.5% last year. Engine trouble was found in an aircraft of Air Busan, which was scheduled to depart from Busan at 10 p.m. yesterday for Guam. Because of this engine failure, the departure of this flight has been delayed for 24 hours, inconveniencing some 100 passengers. A staff member of Air Busan said the flight will depart as soon as the repairs to the aircraft are complete, most likely within the day. The Busan Institute of Health and Environment announced the results of a close investigation on water quality improvement for Dongcheon conducted over the past year. According to the results of the investigation, the water quality improved since drawing seawater back in 2010. However, the water quality deteriorated again in 2013, and a white turbidity and bad smell was frequently occurring. Because of this, residents around streams have suffered. At a closer investigation, the water quality was analyzed in 5 areas, including Gwangmu Bridge, Dongcheon Office, Pyeomcheon No. 4 Bridge, Seongso Bridge, and Pemil Bridge. A survey for stream channel deposits was also conducted in 2 streams, including the Dongcheon downstream. A Korea and Japan joint registration list for adding the Korean Diplomatic Mission Group to UNESCO World Heritage Records has been approved. An official from the city of Busan said it had finally approved 333 items for 111 archives related with the Korean Diplomatic Mission Group and will hold a signing ceremony for UNESCO World Heritage Records today in Daejeon, Japan. The city has plans to explain the process that both countries have established so far and the reason for selecting the particular items on the list. They will also release the confirmed registration list for the application in today's ceremony. The Busan Creative Economy and Innovation Center and the Footwear Industrial Promotion Center of the Busan Economic Promotion Agency is holding a shoe design contest starting from yesterday and will go until March 2nd. This design contest is the first demonstration project of the center's Idea Factory. Anyone who is interested in shoe design can participate in the contest. The selected designs will be used in the production of children boots, Boogie Bear, of C&K Trade, Busan Shoes brand, and Vitro walking shoes of Haksan. New products using the selected designs will be released for autumn and winter.